Hi guys! Welcome to my channel Easy for All. I hope you all are doing fine. Now that school is over in the United States, I hope I'll have more time to put more videos. So I'm sorry for the long gap for the cooking videos. I waited a long time between posting each video, so I hope I'll have more time to work on that. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all how to make some really simple vegetable puffs. So let's get started. So for these, to make these vegetable puffs, you're gonna need some vegetables and some puff pastry sheets. I have carrots, onions, green beans, and potatoes. But you can add whatever vegetables that you want, like peas or beetroot or anything else like that. As for the puff pastries, you can get them in any grocery store anywhere. So those things are what you'll need for the veggie puffs. So now I'm heating my pan on the stove. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. So let's saute this a little bit. So I'm gonna add all the vegetables. Let's start with the onions. Now the onions have turned golden brown, so let me add the rest of the vegetables. While this is simmering, I'm going to explain the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to add. So I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And then last, I'm going to add garam masala. Now I'm adding all the ingredients I just mentioned. And now I'm going to close it. And while you do this, make sure you put it at low-medium heat. Let it cook for some time. So I think it's cooked now. Let me see how it is. So this is cooked nicely and it's ready to be stuffed because there's no water and it's completely dry and it's nice and thick. So I'm cutting them using the knife, each into 3 equal pieces. So that piece right there came a bit too small. It's no big deal, but just try to cut all of the pieces as equal as possible, like these 3 right here. So I put 1 spoon of the vegetable mix in one of the squares. And I'm going to take some water from here. I'm going to dip a finger in it. And I'm just going to rub some of it on the edges, just to make it more sticky. Just like that. And then I'm going to close it together like this. I'm going to fold it together. Sides. So I'm going to glue everything together like that. So that is one of them done. So I've now finished stuffing all of the squares like this. But before I put it in the oven, I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for about 5 minutes. So just remember, keeping it in the freezer for 5 minutes makes it more crispier when it comes out of the oven. That's why we're keeping it in there. Now I'm gonna leave these in the freezer for 5 minutes. So the oven is now heated at 450 degrees. So when you put the puffs inside the oven, please be careful because 450 is really hot. So make sure you heat up the puffs for 10 minutes. So as you can see, the puffs are heating in the oven. So the puffs should be ready by now. I added an extra 2 more minutes for them to get more golden brown and crispy. Here it is! Here's how crispy it turned out. And I really like the brown, like the golden brown color. I can't wait to eat this. Like it looks really yummy. And I'm glad that we stuffed it with enough vegetables so it didn't come spilling out or anything. I can't wait to try this. So I'm gonna show you. Sliding. So I'm gonna try one of them and I'm gonna see how it is. Just look at how crispy this is. It's so papery. And the vegetables are so nicely cooked in there. It's soft. Just look at the layers right there. It's like so crispy. I just want to eat it right now, but it's probably really hot. So yeah, there it is. So that is how you make the delicious and crispy veggie puffs. So please try this at home. It is so yummy and it's really convenient if you make it at home rather than just like buying the puffs at the store. So you can even like control how much of the taste you want, and it's really cool to just make things at home in general. So like it satisfies you and like the preference for your taste and everything. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And stay safe, and I'll see y'all later.